Hello and welcome to Algo. Algo is a USACO problem randomizer and trainer that helps push your training to the next level. The USACO is the United States of America Computing Olympiad, and that serves as the primary selection process for the United States to help pick their team to represent them in the International Olympiad in Informatics. So it's a pretty big deal. Um, a problem that I originally had with preparing for the USACO is that there were a lot of really good resources out there to help you learn the concepts, but not that many to help practice. And for me, I think that was a pretty big deal. So I decided to create Algo so that people would have a way to learn and not only learn, but also practice for the USACO. Before I created Algo, there were only two options. You would have train.usico.org, which was extremely outdated and hasn't been updated since like the early 2010s, or randomly just clicking on problems from previous contests and then solving them on the USACO website. Both of these options were really inefficient and were not a good option. So here is Algo. Algo has a lot of different modes to help solve and prepare for the contest. The first mode is solve mode. Solve mode essentially shows you a problem that you can configure on the right hand side, and on the left side are options. Um, I can toggle this bar to hide it, or I can toggle this to open it up. You're able to select the difficulty, and these are the four divisions on the USICO, by the way, and it will automatically show a new problem. So I can go here to view on usico.org. I can go to the actual website and I can submit my code here. And then after that, I can either select solved, attempted, and skip, or unsolved and skip, depending on if I solved it completely, got partially correct, or I haven't solved it yet. So I can click on solve here, and it will show me a new problem. The next mode is mock contests, which are very helpful for improving time management and problem-solving skills under pressure. You're able to select your problems and refresh them, just like solve mode. And you can select your duration from 3 hours to 5 hours. However, 4 hours is the standard, so that's why 4 hours is automatically toggled. Once you're done, you can click on Start and you enter the mock contest setup. You can toggle through the problems here that you've previously selected, and then you can solve the problems. Once you're done, you can either wait for this timer to go out or press End Now. Then once you're done, you can follow these instructions, calculate your score. So let's say I got all the test cases correct here, all the test cases correct here, and then maybe 7 out of 10 of the test cases correct here. I can submit my results. They're going to be added to my statistics, and I'll be able to see my score. The statistics essentially help the user or the person practicing on this website to understand how many they've solved, how many they've skipped, and how many they've left unsolved. And this is really helpful because if you have a problem that you have unsolved, you can simply click on these buttons and you can see the problems that you've selected for that category. That's extremely helpful to help complete all the problems that you can. There's also a chart.js graph here to visualize your data. And so that's Algo. Algo is a simple, helpful tool to help you prepare for the USACO. So far, we have over 1,200 users, over 10,000 page views, and more than 46 countries reached so far. While the code is available on Algo, however, there is no license, so you cannot use this code for any purpose, only for educational purposes. And finally, here's Firebase, which is the backend that I used for this project. It helps me to store the user data, like how many problems they've seen, how many they've solved, in addition to information like when did they create their account. And so that's Algo. Thank you for watching.